Hey guys,
Yeah,
this
I
is
use my.
Frosty 8415. I'm trying something different here with this camera. Got it sitting sideways on my desk. One of the things about these Glock, the tritium sights, well, the Glock models are easy to put in. They give you an extra screw here. I don't know if you can see that, but this is for the Gen 4s. It's a little shorter. It's 0.080 thousandths of an inch. This one, the regular one that goes in, which is in this piece right here, is 0.100 thousandths of an inch. And this is the little screw. Try to do a little flashlight here if I can find one. There's one. I got a flashlight here. You can see down in there, if I can zoom it in, right in there is this little screw here. It's right in there, and it's what holds this front sight on in place. The little Glock tool comes with it. This sight kit actually came with an Allen wrench with that extra, the two sights. It's actually very nice. I was impressed with the simple fact that they give you an Allen wrench that actually fits this sight. And like I said, these are machined. They're metal sights. It's tritium. Don't know if you can see that glow on there or not. Turn all the lights out, but they do glow. You can see them here. And then when the light hits them, like here, they turn white. So when you're out during daylight hours, you get, the light colors. I'm not going to do the whole thing on this, but I'm going to try to capture this, me putting this on. I may have to pause the video and start again, but this is just a simple, you just slide this in and it captures right in there. It's not an easy place to get to, I'll just tell you. I've had this issue before on one of my other Glocks. It's hard to get down into that sucker. There it is. And you just unscrew it like that. You can see the other side coming out there. The good thing I like about this little tool, there's the old sight came out. You can see the white plastic underneath it there. The good thing I like about this little tool is it has a magnetic holder in the top. I don't know if the camera will pick it up or not, but it does have a little magnetic in the top. When you get this in place, it will hold it right in there, and it will not come out. You can see it. It's got it captured. So once it goes in, it's in. The good thing about that is it'll actually help hold it in place when you go to put the other one in. I'll take that one out. And then unscrew this one. Take it out. Lay it down right there. And they do recommend when you put these in that you make sure that they're pressed down good and solid. And you can see that's flat against the slide. And now we're going to drop that. Turn this up here and install the new one. Don't over tighten this. What I didn't show is I did put some Loctite on there, so that it's on there good. Not moving. So you just saw the installation of the front sight on the Glock 45. And that's how easy it is. It's not a hard thing to do. The back sight, you just press out and press in. I'll try to get a video on it. This is Frosty8415, and I hope you enjoyed this, guys. I'm out.